You know what I always say, tubers, make the blade fit your hand. So 124, and this is number 3 of the 16. This Victorinox has got some banana sludge. But if you notice, the angle doesn't line up with the finger. I'm going to make the thumb groove a little deeper. And then I'm going to adjust the finger. Well, that's a very... We're going to watch it don't burn my skin. The soft rubber's ripping through there pretty good. And that's pretty hot too. Well, this evening I took a lady friend out and she's having some trouble with psychotropic drugs that her shrink is feeding her. And I tried casting demons out in the name of Jesus. I'm just hoping they didn't enter me, because I'm feeling some weird sensations here, and I've never been in this knife zone before. I'm trying to get the thumb on here for steering ability. Oh, that's a nice, sweet, wide thumb spot. I'm not going to touch the blade. I'm going to go right to the blade. Yeah. And you can see how this angle's off from my thumb, but so I gotta cut the angle up a little higher that way from my finger. Yeah, get it more in line with the finger. And I think this will be a sweet cutter. A sweet cutter, baby Jesus. That's what's nice about these rubberized handles. You can mow them down to fit pretty easy. But you just gotta watch you don't overdo it. Oh yeah. See what I'm talking about? Line up with the finger groove, man. If I ever take up sorting, I'm gonna get a blank blade and make a custom handle. Still got a hot spot up here. I gotta chop more of that out. Chop more of that out and get a little bit of this out, because that's catching on the downflow. Make the blade part of your hand. Make it fit. Oh, that's just about there. Take it easy, kid. Don't screw up. Yeah. You get the idea. A custom knife maker like Wyatt Hines, I'm sure he's ground the handles to fit his hand perfect. Yeah, we're gonna go with that. we're going to go with that and try some more cutting tonight while I'm in the zone.